If you already own the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, you probably set them up once but haven't discovered half of what these smart glasses can do. In this episode of Setup Essentials, I'll show you how to use Ray-Ban Meta glasses like a pro, highlighting the most underrated features that can genuinely upgrade how you use these smart glasses day to day. So hit that like button and subscribe, and let's get into it. Gonna start with a really cool hidden feature I bet you didn't know. Instead of fumbling for your phone to scan a QR menu or a concert poster, you can simply look at a QR code with your glasses and say, "Hey Meta, scan this."
Link sent to your phone.
The link will open on your connected phone automatically. Want to save on battery life? The hidden setting to change is turning off the "Hey Meta, wake word." If you find your battery dying too quickly, go into Settings and switch to Touch and Hold for waking Meta. It prevents the microphones from constantly listening for the keyword, which can extend your battery life by up to 30%. Notice that some of your photos and videos look off-center? Try this simple framing technique. Close your right eye, and whatever you see is a good representation of what the camera will capture. Look slightly to the right of your subject as the camera is located on the left side of the frame. Hey Meta, take a photo. Now this one might be my favorite. Through Meta's Be My Eyes integration, you can connect with a real person who sees what your glasses see and helps guide you in real time.
Hey Meta, call a volunteer with Be My Eyes.
Calling a volunteer.
Hey there, how can I help?
It's designed for visually impaired users, but it shows where this tech is going. Real-time human-assisted vision.
Absolutely, I think it's the one on the bottom. Try that.
This one here?
Yeah.
With all the bad things that make the news about these smart glasses, it's nice to see some good things coming out of them.
Yes.
Another good use case, translation. You can trigger real-time translation just by saying, "Hey Meta, start live translation."
Starting live translation from Portuguese to English.
It will listen and translate audio back to you through the glasses speakers.
As talk about different things that are not football or politics.
With offline language support, you can download languages to have saved on your glasses, so you don't have to worry about not having a connection when you're traveling.
When you look at Portugal, and especially thinking about the newest ones that...
Speaking of travel, you can connect navigation, like Google or Apple Maps, and get spoken directions through the glasses.
Starting route to 10 Rockefeller Plaza.
It's subtle enough that you can follow directions without breaking stride, and works well for walking, biking, or cities.
Take a left.
This is one of the closest things to invisible tech the glasses actually do. Sometimes I'm not sure what to wear or how to style an outfit, but Meta can help. While wearing the glasses, hold something up from your closet and ask, "What matches this?" And Meta's AI will suggest different colors, outfit pairings, and fashion tips.
Black or dark gray pants would pair well with this purple jacket.
It's definitely niche, but it shows how the camera and AI combo can be used beyond just capture. Hey Meta, take a photo. Want to share what you're seeing with others? You can post photos directly from your glasses to platforms like Instagram and Facebook. On my Instagram story.
Sharing photo.
Because it's POV, the content feels more natural and immersive. This is huge if you create content casually, capture moments without setting up a shoot, or just want a different perspective than handheld video. Using the Ray-Ban Meta glasses in the kitchen can make your cooking experience much less complicated. How many grams are in 2 ounces?
About 57 grams.
Being able to ask how many grams are in an ounce without reaching for your phone makes such a big difference and feels like you have a sous chef hovering over your shoulder. Hey Meta, set a pasta timer for 9 minutes and set a steak timer for 4 minutes. Another example, you need to set multiple timers.
4 minutes. Started.
And you can ask it how much time that specific food timer needs. We all love Shazam on our phones, but your Ray-Ban Meta glasses can also tell you what song is playing out loud. Connect Shazam in the Meta View app and then ask, "Hey Meta, what song is playing?"
Listening now.
To identify and save music right to the connected app of your choice.
Shazam found Sweet Child O' Mine by Guns N' Roses.
If you want your AI assistant to sound like a celebrity, you can actually do this in the Meta View app settings.
Here's one of the voices you can choose.
Yes, the voice you hear is not the one you need to use all the time, and you have a handful of options to choose from.
John Cena's recent films include Jackpot in 2024, Ricky Stanicky in 2024,
and maybe one day, they will even add Mark Spoonhour. he just has such a nice voice. If you want to quickly get your news briefing, ask Meta for the latest news. Give me the latest news in sports. Distraction-free and lets you get informed while on the go. Hands-off, informative briefing while you walk to work or enjoy a coffee at the park.
While the Celtics are on a roll.
If you use multiple devices in your daily workload, you can seamlessly switch between devices. Phone to laptop and back to phone, no problem. It lets the Ray-Ban Metas feel like an accessory to your setup rather than an inconvenient Bluetooth device.
Connected to work MacBook for audio.
Hopefully, some of these Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses features you may not have heard of can now become something you can use in your daily lives. And if you have any suggestions of your own, definitely let me know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss our other Setup Essentials content. And as always, I'm Phil Rodriguez, this is Tom's Guide, and I will see you in the next video.
Here's one of the voices you can choose.